that the sound of your heart! Your partner's counting on you. Show your partner your devotion. Finish this. Listen. If anyone ever asks you who brought you two together, you tell them it was me.